Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to go paperless and not stand in line for the copy machine. So, in 8 o'clock in the morning, the copy machine is jammed, you can't get your copies made, you don't have to worry about that again. Because instead of copying that worksheet on paper, I'm going to show you how to allow students to copy your worksheet onto their Google Drive. So what you can do is just let the Google Drive be the copy machine for you and you don't have to worry about it. So, this one takes a you have to have one foot in both worlds. You have to have a foot over in your Google Drive and then a foot over in Canvas as well. So on your Google Drive, you've got this great file that you love, and in the old days you would print this out, take it to the copier, copy a class set, and come hand it out to kids to write on dead trees. What you want is you want to allow the kids just to type their answers, have a digital copy, and submit that digital copy to you. Beautiful. So the first thing you're going to do is make sure you have your worksheet. Think of this as your original, and this is a Google Doc. This will not work with PDFs. You have to let go of PDFs because nobody can type into a PDF. So you want this to be a Google Doc that's on your Google Drive. From here, when you're ready to do this, you want to hit this share button in the top right. You want to press this get shareable link right here. And what that did is it just copied it to your clipboard for you. Now, you have the link to this document already copied. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to my Canvas course, and I want this to be an assignment. They're going to type into that file and submit it to me. So what you're going to say is find your module, find your plus sign, whichever module you want. Maybe it's in module 2. We'll do that. Hit this plus. You want to select assignment, then you want to highlight new assignment and you want to give it a name. I'm just going to name mine Google Doc Worksheet and add item. Now again, this sometimes dumps you back into this world which is disorienting, but if you roll down to the bottom of whatever module you're on, you'll see it right here. When I click on this, I need to then hit edit to put this into edit mode. Now this is the trickiest thing right here. You have to do a little bit of HTML editing. So when you get to this point, in this box where you can type the directions, you want to say something like, click here to open your worksheet. Now, once you've got the words typed, you want to highlight the words that you want them to click on. Once you have those highlighted, then you're looking for this chain right here. When I get to this point, I'm going to delete what's in there. I'm going to paste what I copied, and all that is the link. That's just the link to that file that we had. And then before I hit insert, this is important, I'm going to do one more change. This bit right here that starts with edit, I want to leave the slash. I'm going to delete the word edit and everything that comes after it, and instead I want to type the word copy. So you just delete edit and the stuff that came after it, type in the word copy, and insert your link. Now what happens is when they click that, it will ask them, do you want to make a copy of that file? And all of a sudden Canvas is the copy machine for you. It makes them a copy that lives on their Google Drive and they can go to town. So all 30 kids in your class, when they click that link, now there's 30 versions of that file, one for each child. And you can give more directions here. One more important thing is that you need to roll down. Of course you can do points and due date, but the most important thing is after you've made that link, you want to go to your submission type. And this is going to be an online submission type that requires a file upload. So it's going to be an online submission file upload. You can give it a due date if you would like, but save and publish that, and now your students will be ready to roll. When they click on that link, when they're doing this, the first thing it will say is, do you want to make a copy of that? When they say yes, they get their own copy, they type into, then they'll come back and upload it to you when they're done from their Google Drive. And that will save you hours of your life where you won't have to stand in line for the copier.